Welcome to this advanced guide to Revolut accounting exports, where we will walk you through the process of exporting your financial data from Revolut to your accounting system. This tutorial is designed to help you understand the key concepts, best practices, and practical examples to ensure a seamless accounting experience. First, let's start with the basics. Revolut is a digital banking platform that allows you to manage your finances, send and receive money, and track your expenses. To export your accounting data, you will need to access the Revolut dashboard and navigate to the accounting section. To begin the export process, click on the Accounting tab and select the date range for which you want to export data. You can choose from a variety of formats, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. For accounting purposes, we recommend using the CSV format, as it can be easily imported into most accounting systems. Once you have selected the date range and format, click on the Export button to download your data. The exported file will contain all the necessary information, including transaction dates, descriptions, and amounts. You can then import this data into your accounting system, such as QuickBooks or Xero, to reconcile your accounts and generate financial reports. One of the key benefits of using Revolut accounting exports is the ability to categorize your transactions. This allows you to assign specific categories to your expenses, such as food, transportation, or entertainment, making it easier to track your spending and generate accurate financial reports. To categorize your transactions, simply click on the transaction you want to categorize and select the relevant category from the drop-down menu. You can also create custom categories to suit your specific business needs. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to track specific expenses, such as mileage or equipment purchases. In addition to categorizing transactions, Revolut also allows you to add notes and attachments to your transactions. This feature is useful for adding additional context to your transactions, such as receipts or invoices. To add a note or attachment, simply click on the transaction and select the Add Note or Attachment option. Best practices for using Revolut accounting exports include regularly exporting your data to ensure accuracy and completeness, using the categorization feature to track specific expenses, and adding notes and attachments to provide additional context. It's also important to reconcile your accounts regularly to ensure that your financial reports are accurate and up to date. In conclusion, Revolut accounting exports provide a convenient and efficient way to manage your financial data. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily export your data, categorize your transactions, and add notes and attachments to provide additional context. By using Revolut accounting exports, you can streamline your accounting process, reduce errors, and gain valuable insights into your financial performance.